Hi, I'm HEALYMEANS. Welcome to my channel and welcome to a chill chat video. Ladies and gentlemen, first of all, this camera is like catching everything. Y'all, I got my new cell phone. It's a Samsung S24 Ultra. Yo, this camera is so far advanced from the camera that I had before, which was a Samsung S8 Plus. Yes, I know I probably mentioned this before in some of my other videos. I'm still trying to get used to it. But y'all, it's... boy, that foundation got to get to work. This is going to be a quick video, quick chill chat. Just want to let you know what's been going on with me. Where have I been? What have I been doing? Y'all, why I make like 3 or 4 of these videos a year? Okay, so this what happened, y'all. What had happened was, if you recall, I told y'all we was doing a road trip. Y'all, we did the road trip. We went to the Hoover Dam, and then we went to Las Vegas. Went to Madame Tussauds Wax Museum. All of that good stuff. I did YouTube shorts and I did community posts because of the issues I was having with my phone and just trying to enjoy the time also, y'all. You know, so some little quick clips and little videos and stuff, little community posts. Y'all, please check out my community posts and check out my YouTube shorts because a lot be happening, y'all. Especially when I'm in between videos. Check the community posts and check the YouTube shorts. Okay, if you recall, and I think I uploaded this video last week when I did a results and review with the Uncle Funky's daughter. Y'all, my back was hurting bad. My back was hurting, but I don't know. I've had problems with my back for like a while. And it was hurting, but it wasn't hurting enough for me to cancel the road trip, y'all. But during the road trip, I didn't hardly have no problems with my back at all. Y'all know we walked the 4 miles. That was our exercise. Every time we go to Las Vegas, we make sure we walk. So basically from Circus to Caesar's Palace and back, that's about 4 miles. We do it every time. Exercise, trying to, you know, stay in health, keep the blood and the circulation flowing. We did all of that. I didn't have no issues. Y'all, when we got back home, everything, brought my suitcase inside, you know, went upstairs, unpacked everything, shower, all that, everything, y'all, got in the bed. And about maybe like an hour and a half, I got out the bed to go do something. And y'all, my back was like, what? You think you're going where? You think you finna who? No. Y'all, I was down for the count. 100% down for the count. When I tell you I was down for the count. I was bedridden just about, y'all. Eventually, I had to go be seen by a doctor. Blah, 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 this and that. You know, obviously, I'm feeling better today. I'm still having issues with my back. But I'm in a much better place than what I was when we came back from the road trip. So that is the reason why I have not been recording videos, uploading content. I think I did a few nickel and dime community posts, which is why you got to check them, and YouTube shorts. But y'all, if you never had back problems, I pray that you never do. Everything is connected to your back. And when your back is broke, you can't move. You can't do nothing. And that's the situation that I was in. So, y'all, that's why the channel just, you know, I tried. I did what I could, y'all. I tried. But like I said, if you never had back problems, you don't know. I pray that you never do. But if you've ever had a back injury, re-aggravated a back injury, anything where the back wasn't working like it was supposed to, you know what I'm talking about. Y'all, I was down for the count. I'm still recovering, still healing. I still can't do too much. I still, you know, and y'all, trying to record a natural hair video, trying to record gardening content, even trying to do my empties videos. Y'all, of course you can't see it because you know we zoom and crop. But I'm in my living room right now, y'all. And the living room look like a swap meet. I got stuff everywhere. I'm about to batch record as many videos as I can today. And then this week, you know, I'm going to batch record as I can. So you're going to see the same, my wrinkle background, y'all. I might try to switch it up, but probably not. You're going to see this same shirt. Y'all know how it is. If you're a content creator and you batch record, you know how it is. I don't have like 3 shirts laid off to the side to try to switch it up and make it seem like it's a different day. Nah. Now, the video's going to upload on a different day. But y'all, look, it is what it is. Thank you very much. A couple people did leave some comments in my videos, you know, checking on me and stuff like that. I do appreciate it. I think I did share in some comment replies or whatever, let a couple people know, hey, you know, thank you. I appreciate you looking out. I'm just dealing with my back. And basically, I can't move. I think the first thing I'm going to do is this video. This will be a takedown results and review. I use the same products, the Uncle Funky's Daughter and the Adjua Bailment oil, but I added one more thing. And I did the twist again. Actually, some of these are plaits and some are twists, but y'all, it depends on how I was feeling when I got to that section of my hair. But I'm going to do that video. I have a few empties videos. I was going to do one empties video altogether, but that ain't going to work out. So I'm going to chop that down into 2 or 3 separate videos. I have unboxings. Them unboxings might have to wait. Honestly, y'all, that might be, I'm not sure how I'm going to do the unboxings because that's a lot of, you know, moving around, twisting and turning and stuff of my body, and my back is just, it ain't like it's supposed to be yet. So I can't do too much. It might be some community post or a quick YouTube short where I just show you what I'm doing. But I do have some unboxings. My Green Star Garden vertical planters, they came in. The giveaway from K. Renee's Garden, I have that unboxing to do. I have done a lot of work with like 90% help, y'all. Done a lot of work outside to reorganize the garden. Every year I seem to change the layout of my garden. I think I have something that's going to work better for me this year, and I should be able to keep it this way for several years to come. I'm going to be planting a lot of stuff this year. I do have my garden layout. That might be a video by itself. I might just be able to show you a layout because I have a binder where I printed it all out. I might just be able to show you that. But as far as garden things, y'all, that's probably going to be a before and after. I just got to be honest with you. Again, I sure appreciate y'all. I thank you for your understanding. The last time I checked, we were at 1,095 subscribers. Y'all, I'm trying to get to 2,000 by the end of this year. It took me 5 years to get 1,000 subscribers. And I'm trying to get to the 2,000 mark by December 2024. I know I could do it, y'all. I know it's a lot of people. Y'all starting to share my videos. You liking and commenting. I'm trying to get on the YouTube map. Y'all help me out. I appreciate you. Thank you very much. Ladies and gentlemen, that's all I have for this video. Please remember to subscribe to my channel. Click that notifications bell. Like, comment, and share. Especially my community posts and my YouTube shorts. With everyone you know. And until next time, be safe, be well, and be blessed.